Welcome to Eden, Cuncolims' newest wedding destination where nature meets elegance.
They have made wedding planning easy with a well-designed wedding venue, saving your time and effort on your big day. Need an indoor option? AC Banquet Hall is opening soon, giving you even more choices for your perfect celebration. Tucked away in a quiet place, your celebration can go on without a worry.
Make it more than just a wedding. With our charming cottages and restaurant, you can turn your big day into a honeymoon getaway.
Eden, where love blossoms naturally. Book your dream wedding today.